Hi friends, welcome to Markets Guruji. Today in the SME IPO review, I will be telling you about a company called ANG Life Science. First of all, I will be telling you about the IPO, and after that I will be telling about the company details, financials and all. See, this company is coming with IPO very shortly, and the issue price will be around 80 rupees per share, face value will be 10 rupees per share, and issue size will be 12 crores, and the listing will be done at BSE and BSE SME. And see, the total equity shares offered in the IPO is around 15 lakh, and the equity shares after the IPO will be around 51.83 lakh, and the asking valuation for this company is around 45 crores. And see about the company, this company was basically incorporated in the year 2006 in Amritsar, India, and this company is basically engaged in the manufacturing and marketing of finished pharmaceutical formulations in the form of sterile dry powder injection vials. This company produces dry powder injection vials for antibiotics, anti-ulcerant, anti-inflammatory and anti-malarial. And about the manufacturing capability, this company has a manufacturing plant in Solan, Himachal Pradesh, which is spread across 45,000 square feet. And coming to the objective of the issue is to meet the working capital requirement of the company and also to meet the public issue expenses, which is around 37 lakh rupees. And see, positives about this company, the management, the promoters are very strong in this particular field. With the revenue was around 6.77 crore in FY12, and in FY16 the revenue was around 60 crore, which is a 10 times increase in the revenue, which shows the promoters' confidence in the company and the strong marketing capability they have, because they have medical representatives throughout India. And the third thing is that the large part of the revenue comes from dry injection powder, but in future the management has plans to introduce tablets and liquid injections, which will expand the revenue and all. And coming to the negative, the company has never paid the dividend since inception. They have never paid dividend. And financials, you can see revenue has increased tenfold. The net profit was around 1.7 crore in FY12, and coming to FY16 the revenue has increased 10 times, but the net profit is around same. It has not increased that much. And the 6 months FY17 the revenue is around 30 crore and net profit is around 1.48 crore, which shows that there is some increase in the net profit as well. Hope you all like this video. Thank you friends.